Hi there, welcome to my channel. Is building this vintage kit worth it? Yes, of course. This Tamiya M2 Bradley has been around for almost 40 years. It was first issued in 1985, so I can consider this a vintage kit. But you know what? It's a Tamiya, so what can you say? So here I'm giving you 6 reasons why you should build this kit. The overall quality was still very good. This version of the model has an early interior of the M2 Bradley, rubber tracks, fine surface details, hatches that you can close or open, optional positions for the TOW launcher, rotating turret and main gun, plastic mesh for the trim vane, a single figure, and decals. Although it's very good for an old kit, it doesn't have the bells and whistles of current and modern ones, such as thousands of parts, 2-digit sprue trees, full-colored instruction books, full engine compartment, photo etch sets, individual link tracks, metal barrels, and resin figures. But do you believe that you need all that to make a great kit? There are many advantages of building a vintage. For Tamiya's M2 Bradley, these kits are easy to build and almost nothing can go wrong. That means this makes it ideal for modelers who want to finish a project without spending long nights or weeks on end. The other side of it is that there is plenty of room for improvement, meaning that this kit is a great platform for modelers who want to try out their scratch building skills or work on adding aftermarkets like photo etch or resins. It's a great platform for improvements. You can add some extra details at different levels. Here's what I did with mine. I made handlebars out of copper wire, drilled the barrel of the main gun, add resin crew gear and duffel bags, made the TOW canvas cover using epoxy putty. I added the viewing slits or periscopes for the driver's hatch. I made seat belts and buckles out of Tamiya tape and styrene sheets, and also added MRE box accessories. For the side skirts, I thinned it down using a scalper and added styrene plates. And for the mud guards, I replaced the mud guards with aluminum sheets. Focus on painting, decaling, and weathering. It's such a simple kit that you can build it in a few days. Then the time you have left, you can focus on painting and weathering. I painted mine using Tamiya acrylics. I used Mr. Mark Softer for the decal solutions. The weathering products that I used was from A.MIG. The ground scatter products were from Woodland Scenics. Alternative to Desert Bradleys. The M2 came into service during the height of the Cold War. Bradleys were sent to the ETO. The US did a lot of joint training with NATO countries in the 80s and 90s. One of them is Reforger. This was an era where US armor was painted olive drab or the mud seethed camo. I think the single figure came with the kit was a bit skinny, but you can opt that from other manufacturers or other brands, like from Dragon, from Eart, from Valkyrie models. I will leave the link to the resource that I use in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.